Yo, ain't nothing moving in Brooklyn. Ain't no money moving in Brooklyn. Yo, look. Look, ices, nobody's buying no ices. Nothing is moving in Brooklyn. Nothing is moving in Brooklyn. Look, corn, nothing is moving in Brooklyn. You see the corn?
Brooklyn.
Alright. Yo, fruits, look, nothing moving in Brooklyn. Look, nothing moving in Brooklyn. Nothing ain't moving in Brooklyn. This is all a stage show. This is all street theater. The American dream is fully over. It's over. It's over. Look inside the restaurants. They empty. You see that? Yo, empty. Nothing to go on. And that's friends and family. That's friends and family. That's friends and family. Excuse me, big bro.
Sorry about me.
These gang stalkers is everywhere. They're not spending no money. You see the Target bags? You see the Target bags? I told you about the Target bags. How many times I gotta say Target bags before y'all start to realize like, maybe there's something to these Target bags. Target bag is necessary. Ain't nothing moving in Brooklyn. Nothing ain't moving in Brooklyn. Nothing ain't moving in Brooklyn. It's all a street show in Brooklyn. The cops got easy holiday work. No disrespect. No disrespect. But compared to, no, y'all got easy work compared to the Labor Day experience of years past.
I do this every year. Always a good day.
How many years you been doing this?
6 years.
Yeah, you aware. But you already know this year, you ain't got to worry about absolutely nobody stepping on your foot. Yo, y'all ain't got to worry about no guns. Y'all ain't going to have to worry about no gunshots or nothing. I know. Yo, listen, inflation? Yo, due to inflation, there's been a big exodus out of Brooklyn. So most of the folks, they done exodus out of Brooklyn. They done went to Florida. They went back to the Caribbean. They done went to California. But you know what? Let's hope it is better for them. But what we saying is, the old world is done. Remember they call this New York? All right. You know how they says nothing new under the sun? Before this is New York, there was the old York over there. This New York is becoming old York now. You don't see the city sleeping? The city is sleeping. Yo, y'all have a great day though. Thank you. All right. Yo, you see the gang stuckers? They just not out for their fucking health. They're not out for their health. You see how they start to move when you... They not out here... Oh, you see how they throw the white flag? That's the Eastern Star. That's like a... I ain't gonna act like I know. I know some of the signs. There's some distress signs. Now they always try to come through. Yeah. Yo, the gang stalkers don't want to be seen. Them gang stalkers get mad when you fucking... For entertainment purposes only, all rights reserved without prejudice. In all places at all times. This is what New York looking like for Labor Day. But it's not real. Ain't nobody spending no money. Ain't no parties going on. They ain't got no chicken to buy no chicken. Yeah, they ain't got, they ain't got no chicken to buy no chicken. These gang stalkers is out here. But I'm out here too, and I make a move with my motherfucking sword. I make a move with my sword. I make a move. I make a move with my sword. Word. This is what you call the R.A.T gang stalker. There's the R.A.T gang stalkers. He trying to tell a car to move over. That's not necessary. That's the gang stalker sign language. For entertainment purposes only, all rights reserved. Nothing to go on in Brooklyn. This is all fake news. I told you, look what to go on. This is fake news. You see all that traffic up there? That's all the gang stalkers. Look, they done shut shit down, and shit's shutting down. The old world is done. All the money left New York. All the powers that be, they left New York. This is a third world country now. It's gonna become third world country. They taking over. This is about to be their country, you heard? It's about to be their country. You understand? Yeah, I know. And preservation of rights of all indigenous what? People. Watch the position of the feet. It's not a color thing. I told you, see the color of the bag though. You see them Target bags? Is somebody starting to wonder now, like maybe it really is something to them, to what I'm talking about when I say Target bags? Yeah. You gotta uninstall it and reinstall it. A lot of these people is Eastern Stars. Watch the positioning of their feet. Yeah. Where you at? I'm on Albemarle, Flatbush. The Eastern Stars engage in a lot of organized harassment and criminal gang stalking. Yes, it's called proxy community stalking. Proxy community stalking is the neighborhood community watch groups and the neighborhood on patrol groups. They jump in and out of white and red cars and also red cars, you see? And they work with the NYPD. Wow, look at here. They work hand in hand. All the Freemasons and Eastern Stars and Fraternal Police Order, they work hand in hand together. What this is gentrification to kick all the black people out of the community. You understand? Now they're probably about to come out with the canine right now. I bet you they're about to come out with the canine. But the canines is old school, because remember, they got the artificial intelligence dogs. So we don't need humans no more. We got technology. So all of these state policy officers, then they're going to be looking for employment soon because there's no need for their jobs anymore. We got the cameras in the sky. They got cameras in front of every house. Listen, they got cameras in front of every house, in every store, every cell phone, every stop sign, every traffic light. And they got the nanotechnology and the nanobots and the nano dust. They can see everything everybody doing at all times. Just like your rights, when you're reserving your rights on this solid ground. Yo. We the ones that they want to stop. We the concrete roses. Targeted individuals, empowered individuals, chosen ones. We the concrete roses. You see that grass coming through the concrete? Coming through the metal? Well, not coming through the metal, but they ain't letting the metal stop it. It's still growing. It's still sprouting. It's still doing its job. All rights reserved without prejudice in all places at all times. All rights known to me and all rights unknown to me. All my inalienable rights, all my unalienable rights. And propria persona juris. I reserve all my civil rights, all my constitutional rights, all my common law rights, all my UCC rights, all my maritime rights, all my natural law rights, all my universal law rights. Maybe I said it 2 times, but it's okay. And the preservation of rights of what? Of all indigenous people. We out here. Yo, watch your Freemason family and friends, because they're trying to sacrifice you. This is purge season. And yes, targeted individuals, they really are here trying to kill you. That's a fact.